Very lovable.
I hate this
Excuse me for a while, no? Just stay right there, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, we have a small situation here. The next animal that you're about to see is missing. But don't worry, our trainers will go around and look for her, so nothing to worry about. Is that Sunshine? Is she okay? Oh my, what happened to Sunshine? Come on guys, let's bring her up.
Si Sawa.
Aha! Versus our Boa Constrictor Sunshine. So Boa Constrictor is one of the largest snakes in the world. But can go up to 4 meters in length and can weigh almost 60 pounds. As you can see from their colors, they camouflage well in the wild, so that makes them a good predators.
Vanilla man looks as though.
So Ma, are you afraid of snake? Okay, so what are we going to do here is very simple. We are going to put Sunshine on your shoulder. Is it okay? It's okay! So ma'am, your hands like this. Your hands like this. Be ready because here comes Sunshine. So mom, give your best pose and best smile.
Wanna know my name and you gotta get closer. Eyes on you too, wanna get to know you. Let me run it down for you, I'm not
Thank
easy.
you very much, mommy. May can you sit?
Call me Evie, wanna be number
Figures.
In here in Manila, we should mark our birds and free to fly, whatever and whenever we want. Yes, ma'am. Hey, Colonel Joel, before you get Sunshine. Salamat, ma'am. So, a round of applause for our volunteer to our Boa Constrictor Sunshine.